we've worked these functions in kind of the forward direction. So I want to be able to do the opposite. So we are going to look at evaluating functions in reverse. So what I'm saying is this. I've got some function f of x equals 4x minus 5. And I want to find a value of x so that f of x is 7. So for what value of x is f of x equal to 7? So an easy way to think about this, I think, is to say, you know what, I'm going to take this whole f of x thing and I'm just going to replace it with some other letter. How about y? So y equals 4x minus 5. If I replace it there, I'm going to replace it just everywhere. So this is y equals 7. And that's all I'm doing. I'm putting 7 in for y. So 7 equals 4x minus 5. And now all I've got to do is regular algebra. So I'm going to add 5. That goes away. Add 5. Left side becomes 7 and 5 is 12. Right side, the negative 5 and 5 go away. So I've got 4x. I'm going to divide 4. Gets rid of that. Divide 4 here. 12 divided by 4, that's 3, equals x. And I've solved it out. I'm going to do one more just because it'll be a helpful piece, I think, to do more than one of these. So let me move over so I've got a little bit more screen to work with. Maybe I've got a function that looks like f of x equals 3 minus 2x. And I want to find the value of x so that f of x is negative 5. So I'm going to, again, just replace these f of x's with y's. This thing, call that y, this thing, call that y, and now I've got something that's going to be a little bit easier. So negative 5, because y is negative 5, equals 3 minus 2x. I'm solving for x, so I'm going to subtract off my 3. Goes away here, negative 5 minus 3. I'm already 5 below 0. I'm going 3 more below 0, so that's negative 8. Equals, I have to be careful because this was a minus, so I keep that negative. And then I'm going to divide out the 2, the negative 2. Divided by negative 2, that goes away. If I do it to the right side, I have to do it to the left. 8 divided by 2 would be 4. Negative 8 divided by negative 2 is also 4 because the minuses cancel. 4 equals x. And I've got an answer that way. So the big thing that I'm doing when I'm working these problems is I'm just saying this f of x business, you know what? Let's stop trying to be fancy. We're going to take the f of x thing, replace it with one letter, y, and then it's pretty straightforward to see.